Now, how do you replicate one iPhone to another? Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So let's say you have a new iPhone, whether it's like a brand new device or an older model which is reset to this like brand new mode. You can actually move all of the data from one iPhone and replicate everything to another. Right. So the point is that the new iPhone kind of has to be in this stage where you are essentially like on the setup page, right? So as you can see, I'm setting up an iPhone right there as a brand new device, and you can see that I get a pop-up on the older device to sign in to this newer one. Doesn't matter if it's, if one is newer than the other, it's all about the brand new device like that. Right, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start again with the setup process just so you know what it looks like. Right, so whenever I unlock the device for the first time, I am in the language selection page. You can see that I have the ability to set up a new iPhone literally by bringing it closer to an existing one. So I don't even have to go through the setup process where I choose the language and region and appearance and so on, right? But you can see that if I go through it, it always tries to pop up on another device like that. And I can quickly set up the iPhone from another one, right? So if I click on it like this, click on continue, I need to scan my face to authenticate myself like that. And essentially, I have to just kind of like scan the device's code onto the screen. So this is what it would kind of look like. I have to scan it properly, and everything is just getting ready like that. So now things are going to be moved and replicated from this device to another. So all of the settings, like the language selection or all of the things, are basically going to be set up according to this first iPhone. So yeah, you can see that I'm going to set it up for me and type in the code of the other phone, and that's kind of how you can just finish with the instructions as such. Click on continue, and the point is that I'm now setting it up as one of my own devices. So that means that I set it up with my Apple account and all of the settings. But if I also want to move all of the data, this screen is very important because it's asking me if I want to transfer the data from Foxtecc's iPhone, which is the iPhone 15 in the middle. And if I click on continue, you can see that it is going to move literally everything. The estimated time is about 1 hour because I have a lot of data on this phone. And it's basically going to be completely like that. I can also click on other options, which is going to kind of like skip it. And it's going to give me some other ways. So perhaps I will have the ability to get the account or, sign in with a backup from iCloud, whatever, but that is essentially how you can replicate the iPhone with all of the data and make it show up on another device. So that's all I really wanted to show and explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.